about nature and love between benefits and nature and introduce. My name is Graciela Rahmania Lestari, student ID number 202501011376. My name is Irene Estefani Huta Barat, student ID number 202501021448.
My name is Safira Rahmadania, study ID number 202,503,031.889.
My name is Davia Salmananda Naura, and my student ID is 20250701-265.
Akbar as Graciela, Nala as Irene,
Shafira Asraya,
And I am Davia as Orion.
narration, discussion about fulfilling human needs cannot be started from conversation about company growth on afternoon for final year university student gathered to work on their final assignment. What started as a conversation about daily life slowly turned in for a deeper discussion about the economy and its impact on the environment.
honestly, life feels expensive these days.
Yeah, even though we are still students, our expenses feel like we are already working, right?
This is why take every breeze. Let's drink some coffee so we don't get more thirsty. Talking about expensive things, I'm confused. People say the national economy is growing, but life feel harder.
True. We always hear that economic growth is increasing every year.
But look at the minimum wage. It increases slowly while fees go up first. That's why many people still struggle.
That's why the government need big income.
Like what?
For example, palm oil, the demand is high, the selling is price is good, and it helps the national economy.
But palm is oil, not that simple, bro.
Why? The palm oil is tree too.
The problem is
So it affects the environment?
yes, in some countries and regions, excessive deforestation destroy animal habitats.
But people also need a way to survive.
How many workers?
It if this sector is stopped or limited without solution, small communities will suffer first.
But the environmental impact is also
I understand, but from the country perspective, palm oil is one of the biggest export commodities.
so you think palm oil is an economy solution?
Not the only one solution, but one the most of realistic. No.
The environment impact can be very serious.
People also need jobs. We can't ignore that.
That's the problem.
Right? And the impact always comes back to humans. Floods, landslides, and conflict between humans and animals.
This problem can be prevented in policies are enforced scientifically. Still, we can close our eyes to economic reality.
What do you mean?
By realistic, job as real. Every industry has an impact,
But the environment is the foundation of human life.
environmental damage can be restored.
But what if the damage is too severe?
I say, don't ban in complete.
I think we are actually talking about the same issues, just from different perspectives.
Maybe I focus too much on number and fast result.
And I sometimes forget that behind environmental damage there are people struggling to survive.
Like more controlled development.
Yes, not stopping complete.
I manage properly, palm oil can continue.
And the country can also if invest in other alternatives, so it doesn't depend on just on sector.
So the economy grows and nature is still protected.
I agree. Maybe we don't need to choose one side.
Because the future is not only about today.
That's all from our group. Thank you. Bye everyone.